Hey, welcome to JavaScript Dynamic Web Programming for Beginners. My name is Laurence. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I come to you with many years of web development experience, and I'm ready to help you learn more about JavaScript. The upcoming lessons are going to be within a fast-paced format, demonstrating how to use the very basics and fundamentals of JavaScript coding in order to interact with web page content. All of the source code is included, and one of the best ways to learn is to try the code out for yourself. We're going to start by covering how to set up your developer environment and the tools that I'm going to be using in the upcoming lessons, then how to add JavaScript into your HTML pages, what the different data types and objects, how to set variables, what JavaScript functions are and how you can use them to run blocks of code, and then making your web pages interactive by connecting to the document object model and updating and manipulating properties of page elements. Also covering conditions and how you can use those in JavaScript, for loops, while loops, and how you can loop through content. And then some of the commonly used methods that are built into JavaScript, such as random and as well as string methods. And we've got a final project to wrap up the lessons and to bring it all together in order to create an interactive JavaScript list maker that can be interactive with and create new web page content and new web elements. Please note that HTML and CSS experience is a prerequisite to this course, as well as the design of the course is to focus on using JavaScript and the core and fundamental syntax of JavaScript that's needed in order to make interactions with web page elements. This course is perfect for beginners to JavaScript that are interacting with the DOM, as well as those that are looking to refresh their skills of JavaScript and using JavaScript in order to interact with page elements. So creating dynamic and interactive web pages. Thanks again for joining the course. I'll see you in the next lesson where we're going to start coding some JavaScript.